If you've been using NotebookLM to build mind maps, you already know the problem. The diagrams look plain, the visuals are flat, and honestly, they're just not presentation ready. But what if you could transform them into stunning, structured visual maps in minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Google Gemini. Let's dive in.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching gurrutechsolutions.
So let's start by taking a look at the notebook we created inside NotebookLM. This particular notebook focuses on the discovery and industrialization of insulin, tracing the scientific breakthroughs that fundamentally shaped modern medicine as we know it today. Inside the notebook, you can see all the different resources that were used to build out this research. We also went ahead and generated a mind map. And as you can see right here, this mind map contains several nodes, each one representing a key idea connected to the topic. Now, what we're going to do is download this mind map as a PNG image. Once the file is downloaded, we'll head over to Google Gemini. After opening Gemini, we click on the Add button and upload the PNG image of the mind map that we just exported from NotebookLM. Next, we provide a prompt asking Gemini to transform the visual data in that image into a structured conceptual map. The goal here is simple. We want a clear breakdown of headings and subheadings that flow logically, so the map becomes intuitive and genuinely easy to follow. We also ask Gemini to pair each node with a relevant visual metaphor, and beneath every heading include a short micro brief, just one punchy line that explains why that node matters in the overall hierarchy of the topic. For the output format, we set the aspect ratio to 16:9, so the design works perfectly for presentations or video content. Then we select the thinking model and enable the Create Image tool. This is what allows Gemini to completely redesign the mind map into something far more visually engaging. And once the new mind map is generated, you can immediately see the difference. Instead of a plain, flat text diagram, the mind map now contains visual elements and symbols that make the information so much more engaging and easier to absorb. The layout looks cleaner, the structure is sharper, and overall, it becomes a far more powerful tool for learning or presenting complex ideas. Now let's talk about the second method. And honestly, this one is really convenient. One of the great advantages of Gemini is that it can directly access your NotebookLM files. So instead of going through the whole process of exporting a PNG and uploading it manually, we can simply open the notebook inside Gemini and use it as a live knowledge source. From there, we use a similar prompt, asking Gemini to create a mind map on the foundations of modern AI, with logically structured headings, relevant visual metaphors, and short punchline explanations for each node. After selecting the thinking model and submitting the prompt, Gemini analyzes the notebook resources and generates the visual mind map directly. As you can see, it automatically pulls from the research inside the notebook and turns it into a detailed, visually engaging diagram. No manual exporting, no uploading, no extra steps. This approach saves a significant amount of time and produces a well-structured mind map with minimal effort on your end. Alright, so those were two powerful methods for enhancing and visualizing your mind maps using NotebookLM and Gemini. Now let's move on to the third method, and this one gives you the most control. In this approach, instead of relying on the Notebook Access feature, we go directly into Google Gemini and insert our prompt manually. This means you get to define the topic and control exactly what information appears in the mind map. For example, you could start by writing something like, create a mind map on this topic, and then specify the type of visuals, the structure, and the level of detail you want in the diagram. If you want even more precision, you can include the exact key points or information you want Gemini to cover. By doing this, you're guiding the AI more intentionally, and the final result will reflect your specific vision much more accurately. For this demonstration, though, we're going to keep it simple. We'll just enter a topic and let Gemini do its thing. The prompt we're using here is the same one from the previous methods, and I'll drop it in the comments below so you can easily copy and use it yourself. Once the prompt is ready, we head to the Tools section, enable the Create Image option, and select the Thinking model to make sure Gemini processes the topic more deeply before generating the output. Then we hit Generate. At this point, Gemini takes over. It performs its own research, gathers the necessary information, and uses its image generation capabilities to build the final visual mind map. Once it's done, you can see the result right there on the screen. Notice how the diagram combines structured information with engaging visuals, making the mind map so much easier to understand compared to a basic text layout. And that wraps up all 3 methods for enhancing your mind maps using NotebookLM and Google Gemini. I'd love to know, which method did you find the most useful? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video like this one. See you in the next one.